Jay's one snorting coke, dude. Holy shit. Chill. Easy try hard as ink, best one. He's just that good at the game. Like, he's gonna kill me.
Thank you, boys. I died.
With Invis?
Well, with the ports, you suck.
Yep.
Can we just disconnect? Like, we're not winning this.
I won
We give it a
Pezzy.
game. Don't go mid game just to play with someone.
Bro,
We have a
We don't do
chance.
that.
if not, I'm gonna have to wait like 2 hours.
Alright.
Pezzy's getting locked.
No, it's on a ranked game. It's full spot.
Alright.
Stop getting late then. I just walked past Jay. I had a money. I had a money for T-Trap. My bed was gone. Like, actually.
I actually have a big brain
got on
idea.
fire and then walked off. Good stuff, Cork. Like, good stuff.
I actually have a big brain idea.
I actually am invising.
No! Give me some M's.
Guys, for
Yeah,
real
hold on,
though.
I'm only using
I only see
3.
1, 2, 3. Our bed's gone.
Hopefully it is.
Well, Bed's actually gone. He's
Oh.
in.
Well, that's
You
fine.
guys suck. What are you doing? Bed's gone.
Oh, I knew that was gonna happen anyway, so.
Wait, I'm gonna just send that bed with pots.
I didn't just bypassed him.
I'm holding. I almost got it. Go back to Q, Civile. Wait, what?